Oh, wow. Oh, please no, please no. No, no, thank you. No, thank you. I don't want to. Yeah. Can you pull him back, please? Thanks, thanks. Go, go, go. Please, please, please. Huh? All right. Thank you. Yeah. Why don't you mind your own business? No, you just yeah, just go. You have a good day. Huh? What did you say? I can't hear you. Say. Go ahead. Bye, Karen. Got you on camera. Oh, she's back. She's back. Dun, dun. Time is. Today's date is March 1st, 2026. Time is 2:18 p.m. right here, but I will record this, bro. I got you. I got you. There she is. Dun 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 dun. It's the mean lady.
You know it's not legal to film people.
Yeah, it is.
Not
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
It's a one-party state, Colorado.
I'll be
Look it up.
hearing. You'll be
Bye.
hearing from me. Let's do it right now
Dun,
while we're
dun,
on
dun,
camera,
dun.
shall we, man? Sit.
Let's do it.
Sit.
Dun 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 dun. It's about 5'6", let's say 5'7". Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. She cannot be in. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh god. Dude, what? Ooh. Oh. Oh. Yeah, she's about 5'7", Caucasian female, blonde hair. Jesus, Jesus Christ. Smoke. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Bye. Bye. They told her, hey, we can't do nothing about it. I guarantee you. Because I've called the police on some stuff that really was bad happened, you know? They didn't even come.